What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's gonna be a little bit different type of video. We're doing an installation video on my car. So I'm installing S650 style tail lights. So just make sure y'all like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, comment, do whatever you want to do. And yeah, let's get to the video. Now see, we got the 0.5, hold on. We got the coyote badge. Spoiler, but you already seen that. Rear diffuser. Got a little coyote on the back. MBRP exhaust, you already seen that too. But I just got some new SVE R350s to put on. These are, I can't lie to you. And then you got M-style mirror caps. These are controversial, but you know, I like them. So black hood caps, winglets, tint, and then here go the front splitter. And so far the car's sitting good. I can't lie to y'all. But today we finna do, I blacked out the 5.0 badge too. Don't mind how dirty the car is, we ain't gonna speak on that. But today we're gonna do the final touch, which is the tail lights. So let me show y'all what that look like. Yeah, I forgot to mention I wrapped the roof too. Got the roof wrapped black. Tint, and then the gas cap. Alright, y'all, so far we've removed this like little trunk piece. Had to unbolt these 4 bolts. Or it's like some little screw you had to unbolt real quick. But yeah, I'll update y'all probably when we get the first tail light on. When we remove this part of the tail light, whatever, the carpet. All right, so as y'all can see, got the first tail light out. Ended up having to go get a 10mm deep socket because the 10mm had that's right here, was too small to fit on the long bolts. And I'll show y'all like these right here. See how long these bolts are? Let me 10mm up to it right now. See how long these bolts are? So it wasn't fitting, so I had to go to Home Depot real quick, get a 10mm deep socket. But yeah, got the tail light out. So let's plug the new one in real quick and test it. All right, y'all. So finally put the tail light in. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Let's see what it looks like. Hit the unlock button. Ooh, ooh, it looked good. Ooh, this thing's cool, bro. Thanks. Still got the other one on this side, but man, yeah, this thing was good, bro.
And that don't look so fire, cause like the red, like it's a different red.
Exactly, it's 2 completely different reds. I'll show you what it looks like once it's done, but yeah. All right, y'all. So we got both headlights in now. I mean tail lights. All right, y'all. So we got both tail lights in now. Let me hit the unlock button so y'all see.
Nah, that boy got no headlights, bro.
Ooh, this thing looks good.
Imagine they shine bright white like your side, man.
White is an option, man. I gotta put these back, but finally, finally put these bolts in, and I gotta put just some of the trim back. But yeah, I'll show y'all some rolling shots here in a second. All right, y'all. So that's what the tail lights look like once they're on. I got them on purple right now, but you can really put them on a bunch of different colors. Hold on. Here's the app. Y'all can see. Put it on green, shoot, yellow, pink. You can really make it any color you want. This is cool, bro. I can't lie to y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna get some rolling shots for y'all here soon. I forgot to show y'all there's different light modes too. Bro, this thing is cool, bro. Yeah, I gotta show y'all some nighttime shots here soon, for sure. Show y'all.
I thought you would say you need some weight on the video.
Nah.
That boy ain't got this though. That boy ain't got this one right here though.
You talking about? Oh, yeah.
That nigga got
so T key?
That nigga got a regular key.
Oh yeah. Green.